I don't know if you'll trap and shoot right or left. It's a perfect 50-50 gamble duel.
You keep talking about suitable destiny, but luck has nothing to do with suitability or talent. I'm making a full bet on my ego and destiny as the guy who devours the best! And right now, that's you!
This is Yoichi Isagi. I respect that rebellious spirit. I accept your duel of luck. If I wait until he traps him to react, I'll be too late. Tricks or cleverness won't work now. Right or left. It's a total gamble of destiny. Left? I was wrong?
I win, Hugo. Bow to my luck.
My destiny. Lost?
Thought you could escape, Isagi? You don't get to leave me behind! I'll obliterate you! Shut it, you freak! This is my goal!